Question number 1. Errors which affect one account can be A. Errors of principal. B. Errors of posting. C. Errors of omission. D. None of these. The correct answer is B. Errors of posting. Question number 2. Errors of principal arise when A. Any transaction is incorrectly recorded, either wholly or partially. B. Any transaction left wholly or partially. C. Any transaction affects one account. D. Any transaction is recorded in fundamentally incorrect manner. The correct answer is D. Question number 3. If a transaction has been completely omitted from the journal, it will be considered A. Error of commission. B. Error of principal. C. Error of omission. D. None of these. The correct answer is C. Error of omission. Question number 4. If goods purchased from X for $499, credited to Y for $499, this is A. Error of commission. B. Error of omission. C. Compensating error. D. Error of principal. The correct answer is A. Error of commission. Question number 5. The process of totaling the data at the end of the period is called A. Posting. B. Casting. C. Compensating. D. Recording. The correct answer is B. Casting. Question number 6. Errors in casting of subsidiary books are called as A. Error of omission. B. Compensating errors. C. Error of posting. D. Clerical errors. The correct answer is D. Clerical errors. Question number 7. Transportation cost paid for the purchase of machinery must be debited to A. Transportation cost account. B. Purchases account. C. Machinery account. D. Cash account. The correct answer is C. Machinery account. Question number 8. If any expense is omitted to be recorded, it will A. Overstate the profit. B. Understate the profit. C. Both A and B. D. No effect on profit. The correct answer is A. Overstate the profit. Question number 9. If any income is omitted to be recorded, it will A. Overstate the profit. B. Understate the profit. C. Both A and B. D. No effect on profit. The correct answer is B. Understate the profit. Question number 10. If there is any error in the bank account, it will affect A. Trading account. B. Profit and loss account. C. Both A and B. D. Balance sheet. The correct answer is D. Balance sheet.
If you like a video, then please subscribe to our channel and press bell icon for regular updates.